everyone. This is Silveria from Indian Trails Library Branch. Welcome to our Family Craft Fridays. Our project today is a Valentine's Day candle holder. Our materials today is a wooden heart, some stickers for decoration, a brush for the paint, glitter, flameless candle, paint, glue, a glass jar, a paper plate, and some water to wash your brush. First, we're gonna start by painting our heart with the gold paint. Now we're gonna let the heart on the side to dry, and we're gonna go to the next step. Our next step, we're gonna show you how to decorate the jar. We're gonna spread the glue inside the jar, and then we're gonna pour in the glitter, and then after that we're gonna decorate the jar from the outside with the stickers. As you can see, you can still see like the white glue, but once it dried off, it's gonna kind clear, so you're not gonna see the glue over there. While we're gonna let sit on the side, we're gonna start decorating our heart. Once everything is dry, then you just place your glass jar in the middle of the heart, And this is how our completed project is gonna look. We hope you enjoy our program today. Thank you for watching our videos and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.